Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning working with multiple clients and staying organized. Module, Systems and Efficiency for Virtual Assistants. Series, Advanced Virtual Assistants, Mastering Tools, Clients and Online Operations. Class Objective. This class will teach you how to effectively juggle multiple clients without compromising quality, deadlines, or your personal well-being. You'll learn to build smart workflows, design dashboards that keep you in control, and master priority management strategies that make you look highly professional and irreplaceable. Section 1. The Myth of Multitasking versus Real Organization. Why this class matters. Working with multiple clients can lead to missed deadlines, overlapping calls, poor client satisfaction, burnout. But with the right systems, you can manage multiple clients effortlessly. Key idea. You don't need more time. You need better structure. Section 2. Understanding the multi-client model. Before we get into tools and dashboards, understand how to categorize the types of clients you're serving. Client type. Characteristics. VA approach. Retainer clients. Long-term, consistent work. Weekly systems, batch processes. Project clients. Short-term, high output. Intense but time-bound sprints. Passive clients. Few tasks, minimal engagement. Scheduled check-ins, automation. You must know how to manage all three without dropping the ball. Section 3. Workflows, your invisible team. A workflow is a structured sequence of steps used to carry out tasks efficiently and consistently. Example workflow, social media management. Receive monthly content calendar brief, Monday. Design or write content, Tuesday through Wednesday. Schedule posts, Thursday. Analyze performance and send report, Friday. How to create workflows. Use tools like Notion, Trello, Airtable, or ClickUp. Break tasks into step-by-step subtasks. Assign estimated time per task. Set up reminders and auto-notifications. Pro tip. Don't rely on memory. Systematize what happens every week, every client, every project. Section 4. Dashboard Systems, your command center. Dashboards give you a visual and functional way to stay on top of multiple tasks across clients. Tools you can use. Trello, visual task boards, great for tracking deadlines and task ownership. ClickUp combines project management, docs, and time tracking. Notion, all-in-one for content calendars, SOPs, checklists, client notes. Google Sheets, basic but effective for timelines and priorities. Sample dashboard sections, using Notion. Section. Description. Client pages. Each client has a dedicated page with goals, files, SOPs, and links. Weekly to-do table. Overview of all client tasks across days and deadlines. Content bank. Reusable templates, post captions, or email scripts. Meeting notes. Summarized insights from calls. Metrics. Engagement or productivity trackers. Section 5. Priority management, doing what matters most first. When you're serving 3 to 5 clients at once, everything can feel urgent. That's why priority management is essential. Priority matrix, Eisenhower box. Urgent. Not urgent. Important. Do immediately. Schedule it. Not important. Delegate or limit. Eliminate or delay. You can create a daily or weekly version in Notion or Trello using this system. Daily priority strategy. Identify top 3 tasks daily, MITs, most important tasks. Batch tasks by client or task type, e.g., emails for all clients in 1 hour. Time lock your calendar to protect deep work time. Use status tags, pending, in progress, done, for visual tracking. Section 6. Handling client overlap. If two clients want your time at the same hour or submit large tasks at once. What you should do. Refer back to signed agreements and boundaries. Use your workflow dashboard to transparently show availability. Politely push non-urgent tasks to the next available window. Offer structured alternatives. I can't deliver this today, but I have a slot open Wednesday morning. Will that work? Section 7. Sample weekly VA schedule. Time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 9 to 10 a.m. Client A tasks. Client C inbox. Client B reports. Client A design. Client check-ins. 10 to 11:30 a.m. Client B tasks. Admin and SOPs. Client A calendar. Client B meeting. Client A meeting. 12 to 1 p.m. Break. 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 1 to 3 p.m. Flex time. Client C tasks. Batch edits. Reports. Dashboard review. Section 8. Assignment tasks. Assignment 1. Build your weekly client dashboard. Use Notion, Trello, or Google Sheets to create a dashboard with task board by client, deadlines column, status update for each item, personal check-in section. Assignment 2. Create a workflow template. Pick one recurring VA task you do, e.g., content creation, email support, scheduling, and break it down into step-by-step workflow. Estimated time. Tools needed. Deadline frequency. Assignment 3. Priority matrix exercise. Use the Eisenhower matrix to plot a sample to-do list for a week with 3 clients. Assign 10 tasks and decide what gets done now, what gets scheduled, what gets outsourced or delayed. Section 9. Reminders for real life. Organization is your superpower as a VA. Use one tool to rule them all. Avoid using 5 different platforms at once unless necessary. Train your clients to respect your system. It helps them win, too. Review your dashboard every Friday to prepare for the next week. Quick systems audit checklist. Do you know what each client needs this week? Do you have time blocked to serve each client? Are you tracking urgent versus important tasks? Do you have one central place to manage everything? Can someone else understand your workflow if needed? If you answered no to 2 or more, it's time to systemize better. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.